The splice method can be used to add multiple new items to an array. This method also allows us to specify the position of the new elements and also if any elements should be removed. Let's go through an example to better illustrate this concept. Say we wanted to add two fruits, lemon and banana, after the second element in our array, which is orange. To do this, we can type the following. We start with the variable name, and then we create our splice method. The value 2 indicates that we want the new elements to start with an index number of 2. The 0 indicates that we do not want to remove any of the other elements in our array. Once we save our file and preview it in our web browser, we can see that lemon and banana have been added after orange. Lemon does have an index value of 2, so the output is correct.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.